Hi everyone! Today I'm excited to show you how to use the Aroma Treasure Skin Brightening and Glow Kit. So let's get started. Step 1. Apply a small amount of the Skin Pure Cleanser on your face and massage in an upward circular motion for about 5 minutes. Once done, wipe off with a damp cloth or cotton. Step 2. Now it's time to exfoliate. Mix the vegetable peel along with the white nectar that you get in the Skin Brightening and Glow Kit and create a paste. Apply it evenly all over your face and gently massage for a minute. Leave it on for an additional 5 minutes and then wash it off to let it work its magic. Step 3. It's time to apply the White Glow Serum. This serum is super powerful, so a slight tingling sensation is normal. Now it's time to moisturize. Use the Bearberry AHA Gel if you have normal to oily skin. But if you have normal to dry skin, use the Bearberry AHA Cream instead. This cream deeply hydrates and nourishes your skin. Now it's time for a mask. Apply the Milky white mask to your face and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. This mask helps soothe and brighten your skin. After 15 minutes, wash it off with lukewarm water. And that's it! Follow these simple steps to get beautifully bright and glowing skin. Don't forget to use this kit regularly for the best results. Thanks for watching!